Hi guys, today I'm back with another mold. Now this one is little animals, so I think we've got, I'm not sure, is that a dog, a cat, a duck and a bear? So today I am going to make two of them, so I think I'll make these two. So that will be the cat and the bear, so we'll see how they turn out. So I got these chameleon pigment powders from AliExpress, so I'm going to get a paintbrush and I'm just going to dry brush some of this inside the mold before I pour over some clear resin. So that's what it looks like. So what I usually do is I'll just get a little fine brush here and I will just push a little bit inside there. It really doesn't really matter if it's the outside. And I just brush it inside, making sure that I get a good coating on the outsides. Okay, so this one is like a purpley green. Again, just goes in like that. Okay, so that's as simple as it is, and now I just have to grab some epoxy resin, which is clear, and just fill these up. Okay, so I will let them sit for a few minutes. I will then grab my little heat gun and I will pop any bubbles, and then I will let that cure for a few days and I'll be back. Okay, it's been a few days, time to unmold these. Oh, he's sweet. Very cute. Oh wow, I love the colour of that one. Well, these have turned out great. Yeah, I'd definitely give these molds a go. They're really cute. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time with some more resin mold testing. Bye, guys.